One of the projects we're most excited about here at ACDHH is our new workshop calendar and on-demand webinar repository. To find these features, click on the Interpreters tab, then Professional Development. Workshop calendar and on-demand webinars are shown in the green buttons at the top of the page. Let's take a look at the on-demand webinars first. When you open the on-demand webinar repository, instructions are shown for how to use the spreadsheet. Several tabs are located at the bottom of the page that provide searchable categories for the on-demand pre-recorded webinars. There are over 30 categories to choose from. To navigate between categories, click this arrow. When you find a category you want, click on the tab for the list of on-demand webinars available. The name of the webinar is shown on the left, followed by the amount of CEUs offered and the cost. Each title is hyperlinked to that webinar's webpage, so all you have to do is click on the title to get more information or register for that webinar. You'll notice that some categories are broken down into subcategories on their spreadsheet. For example, in the Ethics tab, you'll find subcategory headings like Ethical Frameworks and Decision Making, Ethics for Medical and Mental Health Interpreters, and Soft Skills. There's even a place on the front page where you can submit pre-recorded on-demand webinars that aren't yet listed in the repository. In addition to the on-demand webinar repository, ACDHH also has a brand new searchable workshop calendar where interpreters can search for local and national workshops. To open the workshop calendar, click on the green button in the Professional Development tab. At the top of the workshop calendar are several fields you can use to search for the workshops you need, like workshop title, workshop presenter, workshop location, the type of CEU, and a list of content categories. You can even search for workshops between certain start and end dates. Each workshop listed will have a thumbnail of the workshop flyer, the workshop title, the date and time of the workshop, the location, the presenter's name, and how many CEUs are being offered. To find out more information about the workshop, simply click the information to open the workshop's webpage. And if you have a workshop you'd like to include on this calendar, or if you find a workshop that isn't listed, you can submit it by clicking this green button. Now, interpreters can find all of their professional development opportunities in one place, the ACDHH website.